It's winter in Sparkleville. And here I am, Princess Ellie Sparkles. My baby brother, the prince, is having so much fun with snowballs. But it's really cold out here. Don't forget to bundle up, Prince. Silly Prince. Oh well, I tried. I'll be right back. What is Prince doing? Wow, now it's a huge snowball. Here you go, Prince. One super huge snowball just for you. He loves it. And do you know what happens when we put a little snowball on top of the big snowball? Then add some black buttons, a red scarf, 2 black button eyes, a carrot nose, and a cute smiley mouth. That's right, it's a snowman. Oh, I almost forgot. Purple Blob, do your magic. A special magic hat for our snowman friend. Prince loves it, do you? What is it, Prince? You say the snowman came alive? Silly Prince. Snowmen don't come alive. Sorry, baby brother. I didn't see anything. Just a regular old snowman. Pet blob. Hi, Red. The blob turned into a sun. But the sun is so hot. Uh-oh. Wow, the snowman was really an LOL surprise doll. Awesome. Time to go play. Hi everyone, this is Princess Ellie Sparkles. I live in Sparkleville. And this is my little brother, the Prince. Today is Christmas and it's time to open presents. Try again, Prince. What's this? I wonder what this could be. It's a pet blob. In Sparkleville, all blobs are magical. And the prince gets a scarf? Not exactly what you asked for, is it, Prince? Wow, what an awesome jacket! This Christmas was so much fun! Even my brother liked it! Hi everyone, it's me, Princess Ellie Sparkles. And I have a surprise for my baby brother, the Prince! A shiny new car! Ah, I think the prince likes it. Okay, Prince, are you ready to sit inside the car? Hey, wait! You're only a baby. You can't drive the car until you're bigger. Here, let me show you how to play with our new car. Okay, stay right there and be a nice baby. I'm going to drive nice and slow. Whoa! Hey, how do I make this car go slower? Oh no! Now I'm going backwards. And now forwards again. Whoa! I'm getting dizzy. Hey, look! It's the prince's pet slime. Maybe he can help the car stop. Oh no! He's making the car go even faster. The prince and his pet slime are having so much fun. But what are they up to now? Uh-oh, what did you do this time, baby brother? Our new car is stuck in all this icky mud. Only a superhero is strong enough to push this car. Someone like Superhero Ellie Sparkles. Don't worry, baby brother. I'll use my superpowers to save the day. Wow! It's an LOL surprise doll! The first surprise is always a clue. This one has a cup of tea and a party hat. I know! That means tea party! Here's another one. Let's open it up. It's a baby bottle. This one is white with a blue top. Next up is our LOL doll's outfit. Wow, this could be the prettiest LOL dress I've ever seen. It's beautiful. Okay, let's open up the big pink ball. We're getting so close to seeing our LOL doll. And the accessory is a headband with a black bow. Okay, and now we're ready to see who our LOL doll is finally. It's... Wow! I'm waiting so long for this one. It's Curious Cutie. She's from the Storybook Club. I love her black and white striped pants. So adorable. She has blonde hair with 2 cute buns. She'll look so great with her dress on. Let's use our magic. There you go! Curious Cutie is all dressed now. She looks fantastic. That black bow looked perfect on her. Now, let's give her the bottle and see what happens. Drink it up, Curious Cutie. Wow, she must be thirsty. And now, let's give her a little teeny tiny squeeze. She's a tinkler! Did you get it right? Give me a big thumbs up if you like tinkler LOL dolls. I had so much fun opening Curious Cutie with you today. Go find your friends, Curious Cutie. We'll see you later. I wonder who is next. Wow! It's an LOL surprise doll! That's so awesome! I can't wait to open it up and see who we got! Let's go! To see the first of the 7 surprises, we have to take off the first layer, like this. The first surprise is always a clue. This one has a cup of tea and a party hat. I know! That means tea party! This sounds like such a fun LOL doll. Let's keep going. Our next surprise is coming up soon. This sticker says our doll is either a crier, a spitter, a tinkler, or a color changer. That's so funny! Which one do you like the best? Let me know in the comments. Here's another one. Let's open it up. It's a baby bottle. This one is white with a blue top. I've never seen this bottle before. This must be a new doll. I can't wait. Let's see what her boots look like. They're black. Wow, how fancy. And they have a little bit of white on them too. I think I have boots just like these. Next up is our LOL doll's outfit. Wow, this could be the prettiest LOL dress I've ever seen. It's beautiful. It's blue and pink and black and white. Wow. Okay, let's open up the big pink ball. We're getting so close to seeing our LOL doll. And the accessory is a headband with a black bow. It almost looks like kitty cat ears. Okay, and now we're ready to see who our LOL doll is finally. It's... Wow! I'm waiting so long for this one. It's Curious Cutie. She's from the Storybook Club. I love her black and white striped pants. So adorable. She has blonde hair with 2 cute buns. She'll look so great with her dress on. Let's use our magic. There you go! Curious Cutie is all dressed now. She looks fantastic. That black bow looked perfect on her. Now, let's give her the bottle and see what happens. Drink it up, Curious Cutie. Wow, she must be thirsty. And now, let's give her a little teeny tiny squeeze. She's a tinkler! Did you get it right? Give me a big thumbs up if you like tinkler LOL dolls. I had so much fun opening Curious Cutie with you today. Go find your friends, Curious Cutie. We'll see you later. I wonder who is next. We got an LOL surprise doll. We couldn't open a giant Playdoh LOL egg without having a real LOL surprise inside it. Okay, LOL fans, give me a big thumbs up if you know how many layers of surprises are inside this toy. Let's start peeling off the layers to find out. Here's layer number 1. We found our first clue. It has a picture of an old granny and a school. I think that means old school. What a cool hint! But we have to keep finding more clues. Here is layer number 2. We found our LOL guide. This let us know if our doll is a spitter, crier, or a tinkler when we feed her. Let's peel off layer 3. Okay, we found our first blind bag. I wonder what's inside. It's a juice bottle. It's not quite as big as our Nom Nom juice bottle, but I love its colors. Pink and black looks so cool. I wonder if our doll's favorite colors are pink and black too. Okay, let's keep peeling to find more hints about our doll. It's another blind bag, and inside is a pair of baby shoes. And look what color they are. Pink and black, just like the juice bottle. Now I'm pretty sure that our doll loves pink and black the most. We're getting so close. Let's peel off the next layer. Aha! We found another blind bag. I hope this is more of her clothes. Yes, it is. Nice. Even her outfit is pink and black. This looks so cute. I think our doll loves to pick out really nice clothes to wear. Okay, it's time to crack open our LOL ball. There are a bunch of surprises inside here. Let's start with this blind bag. What do we have in here? It's one of our doll's accessories. Wow, it looks like a baby pacifier. And of course, it's a pink one. And now, it's time for our 7th and final surprise. I hope it's our doll. Hooray! Here she is! Okay, LOL surprise fans, do you know the name of this doll? Well, we know her favorite color is pink. That's right, our doll's name is Pink Baby. And she even has a pink drawing on her leg. Wow, she got changed into her clothes really fast. I can see why she's named Pink Baby. She looks so cute dressed in these pink clothes. The funnest part of any LOL doll is seeing if anything happens when we put them in water. In you go! Wow, awesome! Look at her hair! The front of her hair changed from blonde to black. That means Pink Baby is a color changer. Color changers are my favorite kinds of LOL dolls. I think our doll is getting a little tired of getting dunked in water. Here's your bottle. Drink up, Pink Baby. Now you can go play with Lux and the other dolls at school.